Explore Hirose's ZK1 Series, a high-performance automotive FPC-to-Board connector designed for battery and other devices where safety, reliability, and high heat resistance are essential. Key benefits of the ZK1 Series include a two-point contact design enhances dust resistance and ensures high contact reliability. A safety-first design with electric shock prevention to guard against terminal exposure and accidental contact. Simplified assembly with a terminal-less plug design for faster installation and improved work efficiency. It's compact and lightweight, designed with a 2mm FPC pitch, 1mm PCB pitch, reducing size and weight in automotive applications. And it withstands temperature up to 125 degrees C and resists vibrations, ensuring reliable performance in demanding environments. Ideal for automotive systems and high heat environments, the ZK1 Series provides reliable and safe connectivity with precision performance. Stay ahead of the curve with the ZK1 Series connector. For deeper insights, visit and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Hirose Electric, Connecting the Future.